Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken fajitas. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you that right away. For today's recipe, you need 1 breast of chicken, kosher salt, chicken blackening seasoning, paprika, chili powder, cumin, cilantro, 1 lime, 1 Spanish onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, a little olive oil, and a little seasoning. Alright, so one of my favorite recipes right now is chicken fajitas. Something very easy, traditional. It's not really Mexican food. It's almost like a Tex-Mex. A lot of people think it is from Mexico, but it's not. It's really Tex-Mex. So what we're going to show you is how we do fajitas. So what I'm going to do first is for this recipe, I only need 3 slices of onion. I'm going to take about 1/2 inch of Spanish onion, slice it, put it in my pot. Then I'm going to take a green bell pepper. I'm going to split it down one side. I'm going to go in, pull out the inside. This is a little trick I do. Just like that. Now I'm going to take it and slice to make my strips. What it does, it keeps the pepper whole. So all you need is 4 slices. Same thing for here. So what I'm going to do is take it, cut it right here. I'm going to pull out the inside. This recipe is super healthy. As we all know, red bell peppers right now are really good for you. Anything that's red that looks like your heart is really nutritious. So it's a very easy, healthy recipe. And most people know what fajitas are, so it's very simple for the taste. Now I'm going to take about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I cook mostly with extra virgin olive oil just to keep everything very nice and light and healthy. I'm going to toss it nicely. I'm going to add 1 spoon of kosher salt, 1 of chicken blackening, 1 of paprika, 1 of chili powder, 1 of cumin. And again, I'm going to toss this up. This is what makes my fajita seasoning. You can buy fajita seasoning already made. I like to make my own. That way I know exactly what's in there. And then I always add a little bit of my seasoning salt. Seasoning comes out of a Wisconsin-based company, so check them out. It's called seasoning, like seasoning with seasoning in the beginning. So you set that aside. This all moves over, clean off. You can put this away, leave it. Sometimes, you know, we're a little bit dirty, but we try to keep on going. So next, I'm going to take my chicken breast. I'm going to take out the center. Just like this. Both sides. You don't want this piece. This is really bad. This is really tough. This little piece right here is what you don't want. Now, I'm going to take my chicken breast and just 3 strips. I want nice big strips. The bigger the better, right? I'm going to season it with a little bit of olive oil also. Again, the same procedure. A little bit of the seasoning salt, a little bit of the kosher salt, the chicken and blackening, the paprika, chili powder, and cumin. So there you go. You can always add a little bit of olive oil more if it looks a little dry. So now, I'm going to take this and put it on my charcoal grill in the back. So now the fajitas are already done cooking. It took about almost like 4 to 5 minutes on this grill. The grill's been really hot, preheated. So make sure you don't start off on a cold grill or cold pan. It has to be super hot because the chicken actually steams itself, which then you know steamed chicken is not good. So make sure it's nice and crispy, a lot of texture. So what I'm going to do is grab a plate and start pulling this thing off. Clean my plate. Always make sure it looks nice and clean. This you can also serve on a hot skillet, but for today I just did it on a regular plate. Most people don't have the hot skillets at home. Like at Chili's, when you go there and it sizzles, you can have a sizzling plate. You know, a little cast iron plate, you just throw it in the oven, get it really nice and hot. Put it on top. I take a half of a lime. And those are fajitas. So it's so simple, so easy. So I hope you guys learned something today. Now for a couple tips. My fajitas here are chicken, but we also do skirt steak, we also do shrimp, you can also do salmon, you can also do anything else you come up with. Always use your creativity to try to take this into a new level. I've sometimes even done poblano peppers instead of just bell peppers, or hot peppers, or a mixture of both, just to get some texture, some heat, some vibrancy. So always try to push it a little bit further. Make sure that you always take your cooking style to a different degree. So thank you guys so much for watching this week's episode. Hopefully you learned something. I'll see you guys next week. As always, a video drops every Tuesday and Saturday. Don't forget to go on Instagram at chefjesseq and follow me. Hit subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.